Hello dear customers, so this is Evan from PLQ company. So today I would like to share with you how to making the invisible close and finish zipper. So as you can see in my hand, there are two kind of the invisible zipper. One is the lace tape, another type is the fabric tape. So I think most of them you know that the difference between them, right? So now let's start, okay? So as you can see, they totally have the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 percentages to making this kind of zipper. So the first step is the gapping. So the gapping means we remove the teeth, okay, and also we can control the length of the zipper by this process. And the second is the bottom stop mounting. And bottom stop mounting, that means because the invisible zipper, you know, the bottom stop, we will not use the wire, we use the melting process to combine the teeth. So here we can, so the second step is the bottom stop mounting. And also you can see in this process, we can do in this one machine. That means one machine have two functions, gapping and bottom stop mounting. And now we go into the slider mounting. The slider mounting means we mount the slider on the zipper. So I think that is easy, right? So after slider mounting, we come into the top stop fixing. But you know, for the invisible zipper, I want to share with you something is that for the top stop, we have two kinds. The first time is the I-shape top stop. That means the ultrasonic. We use the chest bearer round, as you can see this one. The chest bearer round wire to make this top stop. Another type is the U-shape. The U-shape, as you can see, for example, this one in my hand. The U-shape. The U-shape means we use the chest bearer flat wire to make the top stop. Okay. So after finish the fixing, the top stop fixing, we come into the final step. That means the zigzag cutting. I think that is the easiest step in this process. Okay, so the final is the cutting. So this is the whole process of how to making this close and finish zipper. And also you can see, because some of our customers want to save their cost, so during this process we also can provide some semi-automatic. For example, in this I-shape top stop fixing process, we can provide you automatically machine, and besides automatically machine, we can also provide you semi-automatic to save your cost. Okay, so this is the whole process of this, how to making this kind of zipper. And also besides the machine, we can also provide you the raw material of this zipper. For example, the first one is the long chain. If you want to make the lace tape, then we can provide you the lace tape long chain. If you want to make the fabric, we can provide you the fabric long chain for you. Okay, so the second is the invisible slider. The invisible slider is used for the slider mounting machine. For the invisible slider, we can also make it for you. And also the transparent, the wire. Whether it is the I-shape, the round one, and the flat one, we can also make it for you. So this is the raw material of this when we making this kind of zipper. Okay. So, and finally, we can also provide you the video.
The output is 1,800 pieces per hour. I-shape top stop machine. And you can see this is the I-shape top stop fixing here, and you can see the output. You can see the I-shape is very strong and very nice. You can see.
And come here. This is the cutting knife. This is the brush. And after cutting, the zipper will come in here.
So okay, my friends, so that is all of this video. I introduced the production process, raw material, and the video of each machine. So if you want to make your own invisible clothes and making workshop, and if you want to save your cost, and we can help you, and you can browse our website, browse our YouTube, Instagram, and other social media, and you can check them one by one. If you want to contact them, you can use the WeChat or WhatsApp and contact us. So my friend, it's very happy to be here to introduce this for you. If you want to know more details, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.